Throughout our 85-year history, our single-minded focus has been on service. And in 2018, we underscored our dedication to this guiding principle with the introduction of our new theme, Our Members Are the Mission. Because our active duty, retired military members, all veterans, and their families always have and always will come first. 2018 was a year of growth and milestones for Navy Federal Credit Union. We celebrated the addition of our 8 millionth member and our 85th anniversary. And we honored the past 14 years of leadership excellence as we bid a fond farewell to outgoing President Cutler Dawson. In January of 2019, we welcomed Mary McDuffie as our new CEO. Moving forward, we'll continue to emphasize a great member experience and will ensure our financial tools and services are simple, effective, and easy to use. Let's talk about some of last year's accomplishments. We added 1.2 million new members in 2018. More than 200,000 were veterans and their family members. We also expanded our network, improved products and services with popular new features, and kept our loan and savings rates competitive. Members responded enthusiastically, borrowing more than $75 billion. Total deposits reached a record $70.4 billion, an increase of $7.4 billion. And our total assets increased $6.4 billion to $97 billion. The number of checking account holders increased to 6.2 million last year. Members who had both checking accounts and direct deposit grew 13%. And we saw a 21% increase in the use of debit cards over 2017. Investments through our subsidiary, Navy Federal Financial Group, climbed to $3.1 billion, and the number of members served increased by 28%. Now let's look at consumer lending. Members borrowed $15.3 billion in consumer loans, checking lines of credit, and private student loans last year, bringing our total portfolio to $19.8 billion, up 8% over last year. Last year, we partnered with Carfax to provide 150,000 complimentary used car history reports to members looking for a car loan. The reports helped members avoid purchasing overvalued used cars, saving a combined $63.5 million. Navy Federal's Business Services launched a new business loan processing and management system for an improved and faster loan process. To help more members build credit, we lowered the minimum required deposit to open an nReward secured card from $500 to $200. And to give members the most value for their travel dollars, we enhanced the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Card, adding 3 times the rewards on all travel purchases and a TSA PreCheck or Global Entry credit worth up to $100. Members opened more than 500,000 new credit card accounts. Sales increased by 15% for a total of $24.5 billion overall. We had a great year in real estate lending. Navy Federal earned a top score on J.D. Power's 2018 survey for mortgage servicing satisfaction. Our outstanding service and competitive loan options helped increase our combined mortgage and equity. More than 56,000 members closed home loans with us for a record $15.3 billion. And members tapped into their available equity to make home improvements and consolidate debt to the tune of $1.1 billion. Last year in student lending, we helped more than 8,600 students make strides toward their education goals at more than 1,300 different schools by financing more than $100 million in private student loans. We also helped almost 3,500 college graduates refinance and consolidate $149.6 million in student debt. Now let's take a look at some of the exciting things that happened with digital banking. We introduced a new, easier-to-use version of our mobile app and added new self-service features. One of our most popular new features is Zelle, a simple service members can use to send money to friends and family in minutes, regardless of where they bank. Another popular new feature, two-factor authentication, gives members an additional layer of security by supplementing their usernames and passwords with a one-time passcode sent at sign-in. Now let's look at expansion and service. We work hard to improve our products and services and the ways we offer them. We opened 20 new branches in 2018, bringing our total number to 327. Members visited our network of branches 25.4 million times, a nearly 6% increase. During the year, we served members through 24/7 stateside phone access to member service representatives, e-messages, chat, social media, alerts, and notifications. and our member service representatives fielded just over 34 million calls. We have a proud 85-year history of serving those who serve and the ones who matter the most to them, their families. Our member satisfaction remains high. We were honored last year to be named by both Kiplinger and Money Magazine as the best bank for military personnel. Forrester recognized us as best in class for customer experience and number 1 in full-service banking in the 2018 U.S. Customer Experience Index. Additionally, we're proud that our team members continue to rate us highly in national surveys. Fortune magazine named us as one of the 100 best companies to work for, and we were also recognized by Forbes, among others. As a credit union serving the military and their families, we've made their mission ours. It's written in the decisions we make as an organization, and it's reflected in the way we serve. No matter their circumstances, whether stateside or deployed, active duty or veterans, employees or families, we're here for our members to help them find the financial solutions they need to thrive now and for generations to come.